This video will demonstrate how we sync together RGB+CCT 12V LED tape to the RF receiver and the remote control. These are the four components to work RGB+CCT color temperature LED tape. The first component is the uni driver, which is connected to the RF receiver. Now this is connected via a male and female push-in plug. The third component is the RGB+CCT remote control, and lastly we have the RGB+CCT color temperature LED tape. The RF receiver has the learning key on top of the unit with this one, and the four-way connection where 4 pieces of RGB tape can be worked at any one time. This is the RGB+CCT color temperature remote control. We have here the slider from daylight to warm white, the color temperature wheel, 4 zones, and we can change from RGB to CCT color temperature. This also has 4 scene buttons, which you can set your own scene, which I will show you later on in the video. The RGB+CCT color temperature remote also has 10 preset colors. By pressing this button here, you can set a scene to whichever you require. Now we'll show you how to sync the RF receiver to the RGB+CCT remote control. Press the remote on, press the receiver, press the zone you require, and then you have the color wheel, which can be selected any single color. Like this. To select the CCT color temperature colors, you press the CCT button, hold your finger to the daylight, which then can be slide to warm white and vice versa. To go back to RGB, press the RGB and then your color wheel. The RGB+CCT remote control has 10 preset colors. By pressing this button, you can select any sequence you require. The remote has 4 scene settings, which you can set at any required color. If we go to CCT and press the warm white, hold the S1 down until it flashes. We can go then to daylight and press scene 2 until it flashes, and then through one of the preset channels we hold down 3 until it flashes, and then we'll try a pinky red, hold down until it flashes, and now we're preset. So when we press S1 we have our warm white, when we press S2 we have our daylight, press 3 our selected color, and press 4 our pinky red. For more information, visit our website.